Now I'm going to do a numerical example of this Keynesian cross or this aggregate expenditure model. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to give a mathematical function for C equals A plus MPC times Y. And I'm going to make this be C equals $100 plus 0.5 Y. And so this gives us a mathematical number to work with, a mathematical formula. Now, if you've seen the multiplier before, watch this. The multiplier is 1 over 1 minus MPC. What this means is that if you put 0.5 here, the multiplier in this case is 2. All right, so what this means is that if I add $100 to any of this after I draw the model, then the $100 is going to multiply to $200, and that's no coincidence. So now we have numbers that could show the multiplier, and it can actually show the graph where AE equals Y. So the first thing to notice is if I plug in one, I'm actually going to move to 0 here. If I have 0 income, I am still going to spend $100. So that's the first thing, is that that's this autonomous consumption. And people do have autonomous consumption. If you get laid off for a week, you still have to pay rent. You might have to take the money out of savings, but you're still paying rent. All right, so this means that your savings is negative 100. So S stands for savings. All right, I'm going to leave this blank. This is going to be blank because I haven't given you I or G. This is going to show us how the next step looks. So I haven't given those numbers yet. But what we're going to see here is that if Y goes up to 100, this 100 is still there. But I'm only going to spend 50% of the 100. So I'm going to have to take this $50, which is half of the 100 that I just earned, add it to this. Right? This never goes away. And so what this means is that I'm going to spend $150 if I earn 100. I still have to take money out of savings, but the gap is closing. If I continue to go up, now I earn 200. And I have to spend 100 plus half of 200, or 100 plus 100. This is the magic point. This is $0. This is my equilibrium. I'm no longer dis-saving. I'm now exactly equal. Now I'm going to keep going, kind of to show how the numbers work. If I take 300, if I earn 300, I'm going to spend $150 plus 100. So now I'm earning 300 and I'm spending 250. I have $50 left to put into savings. I can continue. 400, I spend half, or 200, plus 100 is 300. And now, because I am earning 400 and spending 300, I am saving 100. All right, so this is going up, up, up by 50 every time. I can fill it up to be 150, 200, 250, just to finish the graph. This is going to be 350, 400, 450.